Good morning, everybody. Did you guys ever watch that YouTuber, the mad Russian scientist? I remember early on of YouTube, he was one of the main channels I would watch, just because he would do some crazy experiments. And I remember he was like, safety is like the #1 priority. But you know, obviously he did it with like an accent. Anyways, it's 5, 6 in the morning. I'm already late. I was supposed to start this drive, but we're gonna be going to LA for a trip, and we're gonna be going to Gridlife. And I'm excited. As you can see, it's like super dark. And right now I'm picking up my brother, and then we're gonna head over there. I'm going to make my brother drive because I gotta start filming and making some content for you guys. We're about 1 hour into the road trip, and it's getting foggy. Okay, so far this is the most expensive gas I've seen. $6.89, basically $7. First supercar we see, and it's actually being towed. McLaren 720, nice.
765 LT.
Oh, is it 765 LT? Be careful, guys, when driving. All right, we made it to LA, Corona City to be exact, right next to the Riverside. And I was watching Munchies, and this place popped up. It looked pretty good. Dude's story was cool, so I gotta support, and I just gotta see what they have. But look at that ramen. That's tempting, guys. That's really tempting. So we just got to Edgar's house, kind of chilling for a bit, update you guys on some stuff. Right now he's working on his Miata, says he's gonna drift it tomorrow. Pretty much like 400 or 500 miles deep. And look at all those bugs, dude. Oh my gosh, this car needs a wash. I did clean all the glass before starting the little road trip. And man, look at all those bugs. But better yet, look at that banner though, in the LA sun. Oof, and we're in Riverside right now. As you guys know, Riverside's like a very dangerous place because, you know, that one chick. Let me play a clip. Oh man, that song is so cringe. Edgar's drift car. What is this, a 99 Miata?
I think it might be a 2000.
2000?
Or 2000.
Reminds me of the one I had before.
That was 4,000 RPM.
Sounds good.
Oh, dude, this like, you gotta drive this with this tiny wheel, and then with the angle.
Yeah.
It just like
Dude, it sounds really good.
it's fun.
Super planted.
You want to drive?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
sounds so good.
It does, right? Man, you cannot breathe with the helmet. Right now we switched helmets, me and my brother, because this one that I was using has a GoPro mount on top, and I'm 6'2", and it's literally hitting the top, so it's hard for me to like really move my head. This one's a little bit tighter, but it's a little bit more room up top, and I have the seat all the way down, so that's a downfall.
Pressure is a little high. Just like right there. Brake. Yeah, and then try to turn in early like that. Yeah. You're right there. You try to turn in early.
Bye.